Is Zendesk Copilot the best option out there? I don't think so. Let me show you. So if you can see my screen, I'm going to open up a ticket. So let's see, this one is a messaging ticket. It's a conversation that a customer started with me. Their name is Dominic and my name is Dominic. And so we built this app, which is an integration with OpenAI. So we are exploring different engines, the different LLMs to see which one works best. Currently, we're using OpenAI. What you can do with it, you can essentially just have your own AI assistant that helps you solve a ticket based on the ticket data, the ticket history of this person, and whatever processes you give it, and whatever PDFs, URLs, and etc. So yeah, first I'm just going to analyze some basic info, which is, the summary. So what is the customer's main problem? So customers inquiring about whereabout their invoice. So this is what they needed. They chatted with the bot, they chatted with the agent, and then, another agent comes in and, let's see what this is about. They don't have to read all the history because sometimes it can go on for days, months. So you don't want to read up on the whole history of a ticket. You lose precious minutes. The solution attempted tells you what they tried, the products that they needed. So you can essentially just take these products, the AI recognizes them, and you can essentially populate left-hand custom fields with it, so you can do all that. Right, so this is just like some details, right? I don't want to insist on this one because the best part is this one. So I'm going to give it chat with the AI. So I can either generate a quick answer based on my processes, based on the history, but I just want to say no invoice available. Yeah, let's say generate with suggestions. So now it's generating an answer. It's going to OpenAI, it's analyzing all this stuff, and it's coming back with an answer, plus what I gave it right now as a quick thing. So look, it's giving me an answer. Thank you for your message. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the specific details related to your query, and the invoice provided, So this is all fine and dandy, and I love it. I'm just going to copy it. I'm just going to go to chat because I want to chat with my assistant. I want to chat with ChatGPT. I want to chat with whatever engine I'm using. So if you prefer Mistral, if you prefer Anthropic, if you prefer Gemini, you can hook it up. Right now, we're just focusing on OpenAI, making it the best one it can. And then we can say, all right, so look, I want you to help me translate this to Chinese, Mandarin. This is just like a ChatGPT, right? You're just chatting with the AI. You can ask it anything you want. But bonus, it has your ticket data, your ticket history, processes, and your, all PDFs and whatever you wanted to give it to it. So look, now it has translated into Mandarin Chinese, and I do not speak Mandarin Chinese, but it is OpenAI, and it's good. People say it works. OpenAI is good. So yeah, now I can copy this, I can go back, and and just answer in Mandarin Chinese because this is what I needed. So on top of having all of this AI functionality, you also get a translator in whatever language you want, and you can go back and forth with it however much you need because it's OpenAI. You also have some quick actions in here, AI actions. So this suggests a brief acknowledging of the customer's issue. All right, let's do that. Let's give it some commands. This is just based on best practices in customer experience that we want to suggest to you. You can customize it to show you whatever you want, but this is what we think is useful. So this one I can copy it. We're working on this every day, so we're making it better. It's available now. It's coming to the marketplace. I think in maybe next week it's going to be there. There's a link in the description where you can see it, you can request it. The pricing model works on the usage. Now this interaction costs just a few cents each time, maybe 2 cents, 3 cents each time that I chat with the bot. And we just add a little bit on top. We just add 25% on top of it, which is our fee for making this integration. So all in all, this is going to be cheaper than what you get with Zendesk's Advanced AI or the Copilot, because with the pricing, you can process up to maybe 1,000 tickets per agent with the price that it has, and I don't think you can do that with Advanced Copilot. I think you get much more value because in this case, you can chat with it. You know, it doesn't just give you an answer and then you can, you know, type away, oh, this is not correct, let me just reformulate it. You just ask it to reformulate it, or you can ask it to translate it. You can ask it to do whatever you want. You can ask it, like, cook me an egg. You know, it's an OpenAI assistant. And it has currently the 4.0 engine, the one that is by default provided by OpenAI in ChatGPT. And that's it. I will see you in the next one. I will keep bothering you with this stuff until you see the value. So until then, like and subscribe. I'd be really grateful. And I will see you in the next one. My name is Dominic, by the way. And yeah. Bye-bye.